If you're currently struggling with money and find it difficult to make ends meet, frugal living is a viable solution. Frugal living, however, requires commitment and typically must be applied to all aspects of life. If your personal financial plan calls for frugal living, we've got you covered. Here is a list of the top 10 frugal living hacks to get you started on the road to better personal finance management. Number 1. Cut back on eating out. Some people like to eat out socially so they can hang out with friends, and others may eat out because they don't like to or don't have time to cook at home. Whatever your reason is for eating out, you will need to cut back considerably in this area. Eating at restaurants can be expensive, and it can put a serious dent in your bank account if you do it frequently. When you cook at home, you can budget your food allowance so that you don't spend more than you need to. For example, the cost of a single meal at a restaurant is more than likely financially equivalent to meals at home for an entire day, maybe two. You don't need to cut out eating out all at once. Try to instead see if you can at least cut your time eating at restaurants in half. Number 2. Shop at discount stores. Why pay full price for something that you can instead get for much less at a discount store? If you need to buy something, don't buy the first item you see right away. Take some time to look around and compare the prices with other shops to see where you can get the maximum savings. Chances are, more often than not, you will find the same item at another store for a lower price. Number 3. Use coupons. If you haven't used coupons when buying online or in retail stores, now is the time to get started. Coupons are one of the tools that you can rely on if you want to try frugal living. You can use online coupons or print out coupons. Either way, you are sure to slash a percentage off your purchase from the grocery store or other local or online shop. Number 4. Avoid impulse buying. Never ever buy something that you haven't planned on buying. Especially when the only reason you are buying it is because it is on sale. If you don't trust that you can go out shopping and keep from going on an impulse buying spree, don't go out. Instead, ask someone else to make your necessary purchases, or buy online instead. Number 5. Make your own instead of buying pre-made items. A good example of this is food. Instead of buying pre-made meals, you can do a meal plan. Make a list of the ingredients you need to prepare food for the rest of the week, and prepare those meals ahead of time. Not only is it cheaper that way, but it is also healthier and saves you time throughout the week. As a bonus tip, you can also do batch cooking. This saves time and money and helps eliminate waste. Number 6. Shop your pantry. Before making your grocery list, look at your pantry first. Make a list of the items that you already have in your pantry. That way, you won't be buying any items that you already have. Always keep a stock of the items that you have. This will also help with meal planning. Number 7. Switch to LED light bulbs. They are energy efficient and they can help reduce your energy bills. Plus, they last for many years so you don't have to keep buying new bulbs. Number 8. Cancel subscriptions you don't use. You don't need to be paying for a cable and streaming subscription at the same time. Pick one and cancel the other. Number 9. Repair things instead of replacing them. However, only apply this rule if the cost of repairing is lower than the cost of buying new. Number 10. Live below your means. This is the ultimate hack to frugal living, and the concept is simple. Spend less than you earn. And, as your income grows, your spending should not grow with it. Instead, maintain your current lifestyle so that you can maximize your savings and investments. Frugal living is about being smart about how you use your money. If you adopt these tips, you should see a substantial improvement in your spending and savings. We hope we have put you in a good money mood. Please like and subscribe. See you next time.